Appearance of Acdoc 86 Plus. Preparations before operation. Check parts: HP hose, LP hose, power supply and air outlet thermometer. Install Acdoc 86 Plus app. AC diagnosis. Ensure that the engine is not started and the HP-LP hose are not connected. Connect to the network, turn on the Bluetooth in the main menu of APP, select AC diagnosis. The APP reminds to shoot the VIN code, ensuring that the text is facing up, upright, and clear, so that the APP can accurately parse it. Turn on the power supply of the thermometer and insert the thermometer into the central outlet of AC. Connect the HP and LP quick couplers and open the valves. The equipment is calibrated and preheated for 60 seconds. Related inspection items ignored in this operation video is recommended to be selected in actual operation. Follow the APP instructs to start the engine and turn on the AC. If the temperature inside the car is too high, select the outer circulation, maximum wind power, open the windows until the temperature in the car is consistent with the ambient temperature. Close the windows, adjust the wind to level 3, and internal circulation. Check related items according to APP prompts. Related inspection items ignored in this operation video is recommended to be selected in actual operation. The device performs a 210 seconds AC diagnosis. During the diagnosis, please follow the APP instructs to change engine speed between idle and 1500 to 2000 RPMs. After the diagnosis is completed, 3 items of datasheet, graph, and diagnostic results will be displayed. Scan the QR code and print the PDF file. Identify the refrigerant in the refrigerant tank or the vehicle. Select refrigerant identification in the main interface. Connect refrigerant tank or vehicle LP side to LP hose of the equipment. Open valve to allow refrigerant in. The device prompts for 2 minutes of identifying. The identification results will be displayed. Acdoc 86 Plus leak detection. Vehicle leak test. The car should be parked in an unventilated place. Ensure that the refrigerant concentration in the automotive air conditioning pipeline is greater than 98%. Ensure that the pressure of the air conditioner is greater than 3 bar. More higher the pressure is, more accurate the leak detection is. Press the leak detection button on the operation panel of the equipment. The equipment will be calibrated for 1 minute. During calibration, keep the probe away from the area where there may be refrigerant. Use the leak detection probe to move slowly up, down, left, and right along the AC pipeline. It is generally recommended that the distance from the pipeline be less than 5 mm, but do not touch the pipeline. Stay at each possible leak point for no less than 2 seconds. The continuous buzzer beeps and the indicator light is red, indicating that the leak has been detected. Occasionally, the short light and short buzzer sound, which may be caused by electrical environment interference. Hidden parts leak test. Leak detection near the air conditioning filter port. Close the doors and windows, and stay in the non-ventilated place for 60 minutes, at the air filter, for leak detection. Move the probe slowly near the air conditioning filter. If refrigerant leakage is detected, the red leak detection indicator lights will be on and the buzzer will alarm. Leak detection near the air conditioning outlet. Lift the vehicle into air. Move the probe to find the AC water outlet along pipeline. Keep the probe within 5 mm away from the water outlet. Stay for more than 3 seconds, The continuous buzzer beeps and the indicator light is red, indicating there are leaks of AC water outlet. The evaporator has leaks to cause refrigerant discharge from outlet. Hose leak test. Use the leak detection probe to move slowly up, down, left, and right along the AC pipeline. It is generally recommended that the distance from the pipeline be less than 5 mm. For some refrigerant hoses, leaks cannot be detected under a static state. Twist the hoses during detection, simulating the car driving state, to find out leaks.